guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I will be reviewing website designers that help startup businesses to build their own websites. A lot of viewers message me privately asking me, oh, do I know anyone that can build a website or help them with their social media? They just started a business. You are at the right video, viewers. I took my time and this is what I use for my personal e-commerce websites. E-commerce websites are basically websites that you can sell on. This is what I use. They're called Branding You Limited and they're UK based. You can work with them if you're based in the United States. You can definitely work with them. They build websites for you at affordable prices, guys. Branding You build websites for you at affordable prices. So now what I'll be doing is taking you on my laptop, showing you how the website looks like, their home page, and when you go on their home page, you flip through their prices and what they do. They will explain to you what you can do to basically, if you want them to help you through your business, as in promoting your business, if you want them to help you get a lot of visitors on your websites and all that, so on and so forth. Branding You Ltd, I'll leave a link in the description box down below. You contact them. I've used them for about 3 of my websites, and my website, trust you guys, trust me, when people go on my website, they definitely purchase. Is because Branding You made sure that they made that website to look so professional, and they always ask me what I'm looking for and also ask me questions like, if I was a consumer or if I was a customer and I went on the website that I was basically selling my products on, what would I be looking for? They ask all these sort of questions and they basically give you what you deserve at affordable prices, and guys, you will not regret it. They come with lots of packages. They come with also helping you to promote your Instagram page, to get viewers, interactions. Everything is organic. I will leave it in the description box down below, and I will show you a snippet of their website as I'm talking to you right now. I'll show you a snippet of their website and you see how professional and beautiful Branding You website looks like. And these are what they offer, their e-commerce website, their startup packages. So contact them if you are in need of anyone to help you build up your website, because guys, I know a lot of you viewers build websites yourselves, but I would say regardless whether you know how to build a website, building a website yourself and making customers go on your website is 2 different things. These companies, when they help you build your website, they'll make sure there's traction on your website. They will introduce you to so many apps that will help you and your business grow, and you will always go back to them. Trust me, I really trust this company because that's what I've been using for the past 4 years. So guys, check out Branding You Limited, and I'll leave your link in the description box down below. I do not have any coupon code for you viewers because this is not a sponsored video. This is just a video to show you viewers, because a lot of you lot ask me questions. You email me privately asking me, they like the fact that I'm an entrepreneur and they love my website and they wanted to know what company I used, and today I decided to give it up. So this is not a sponsored video. I do not have any code. Check out Branding You Limited if you want to promote your Instagram page, or if you want to build up your website, if you want to start to be entrepreneur. Look into them. They have brilliant packages, guys, and they will help you out. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.